getting a lot of requests on my skincare routine, so I'm going to show you what I use every single night before I go to the bed, and also a little bit of extra other things that I like to do when I want to feel extra special or, you know, pamper yourself. So before I start off, I just wanted to mention that I'm not a dermatologist. These are the things that I have been using for a very long time, and it really makes a huge difference in my skin. So the first step that I like to do is cleanse my skin. Use a wipe to cleanse out all the makeup and everything. And the wipes that I have been using right now is the one from NIVEA, and this is the one that has micellar cleansing technology. There isn't any specific wipes that I like. It can be any wipes. In my case, I grabbed wipes that are on sale in the market, and maybe this was on sale last time when I went to grab one. So yeah, if you use wipes first before any other cleansing process, I think it makes your cleansing process a whole lot easier and quicker. So I just take wipes and then I just take off all the makeup that I have. Depending on how much makeup you have, you might want to use your wipes, but I don't have much makeup on my skin, so one would be enough for me right now. So that's all the makeup and dirt. So the next process is I like to use a cleansing balm, and the cleansing balm that I have today is the one from CLINIQUE. Specifically, this one is very light cleansing balm, so it really dissolves in your skin. So I only take a dime size and then I just rub it on my hand and apply it all over my face. So after rubbing that in my skin, I'm again going in with my makeup wipes, and I'm just gonna take everything off with it. The other cleanser that I have been liking a lot lately is from the AURELIA, and it has a probiotic. So what probiotics does is it really helps to cleanse your skin, and at the same time it leaves your skin looking radiant and so much youthful. So I'm gonna take a dime size on my fingertip, and then again I'm going to do the same thing, rub it all over my face. So whenever you want to cleanse your face with a cloth or you want to dry your face, make sure that you use something soft like muslin cloth instead of towel, because it's very gentle on your skin. So I'm just going to use this and dip it in lukewarm water rather than hot water, because hot water will strip the oil from your face and it will really dry up your face. So I'm just gonna take the cloth and cleanse my face. So the next process is my actual cleansing process, which is using a foaming cleanser. The cleanser that I'm going to use today is the one from BIOTHERM. When it comes to cleansing, I like to use it with my CLARISONIC. What it claims is that it cleans 6 times more effectively your skin than when you use your hand to clean your face. So I'm going to add a pea size of my cleanser on top of CLARISONIC, and then I'm going to start cleansing. It's going to vibrate and then it's going to buzz in every 20 seconds, telling you to change your placement. So 20 seconds on your chin and nose, 20 seconds on your forehead, and 10 seconds on each cheeks. And then after that you're done, you will see all the dirt lock up in it. So you're just gonna go ahead and wash it off, and then you are done. Now that I'm done cleansing, I like to go into my toner next. For the toner, I like to use the one by Terry right now. So what toner does is it really penetrates in your skin and removes all the oil and dirt from your skin within, and at the same time it also helps to tighten up the pores, reducing the penetration of any impurities. So next I like to use my Alpha Liquid Gold with glycolic acid, depending on how my skin is feeling. Talking about my skin is more towards dry to normal. I never had a problem with acne, so my skin was always acne free. Once in a blue moon I used to get one or two here and there, but I really didn't have any much problem with the acne. However, when I get it, I like to use this product. So what glycolic acid does, it is made up of very small molecules. It is able to penetrate skin deeply and easily, so it really treats your acne, blackheads, any uneven texture or even fine lines. So I like to use it with a cotton pad and apply it all over my face and neck as well. It also acts as a serum if you want to use it as a serum. So talking about serum, the serum that I'm using right now is one from Estee Lauder, and it's Advanced Night Repair Serum. I take a dime size on my fingertips, and then instead of rubbing it in my skin, I like to tap it because it will really help to penetrate in my skin. The one that I have is the one from Dr. Dennis Gross. So this one has a ferulic acid. So what it does, it provides antioxidant benefits to the skin, and also it has retinol. It really speeds up the skin cell renewal and also enhance the collagen production in your skin. So again, I like to take a few drops of it on my fingertip, and then I like to tap it in my skin. So since I'm done with the serum on my face, next I like to do is move on to my eyes. I think when it comes to taking care of your eye area, earlier that you start, the less you have to worry about it. So the serum that I like to use right now is the one from LANCOME. So when you open it, it has that little silver ball on the tip of it. It really helps to relax the muscle of your eyes. So whenever you are massaging in your under eye area, make sure that you are taking from the inner corner to the outer corner. So next, moving on, is my moisturizers. So for the eye, I have been using the DNA Eye Renewal Eye Cream. It really helps the targeted area like dark circle, puffiness, fine lines, and those crow fits that you start getting after you reach certain areas. So I've been liking it, and I just use it every single night. So I take a pump in my finger, and then I start massaging in my eyes to take it from the inner corner of my one eye and then drag it towards the outer corner and going all the way in a round shape, and then taking it towards the next eye, so you are kind of creating that H shape. So next is a moisturizer that I have been using it for, I don't know, maybe like 3 to 4 years now. So it's my holy grail product. It's the one from CLINIQUE, and it's called Moisture Surge. I really like the light texture of it, and really helps to lock in the moisture in my skin. Just go and apply it all over my face. Next skincare product that I've been really loving, and I think you guys will like it too, is the one from MV Organic Skincare, and it's pure jojoba oil. It is an oil, so I know when we say oil, people with oily skin tends to avoid it because they think that putting oil on top of your oily skin will really make it worse. But trust me, when it comes to oily skin as well, you really need to use oil to balance that oil in your skin, if that makes sense. Take a little bit of it on my fingertip again, and then I apply it all over my face. This is the product that I can swear by. And there is one more oil that I really like to talk about because I think it has made a huge difference in my skin as well. It is the one from CAUDALIE, and it is the overnight detox oil. It really detoxes your skin and revitalizes your skin overnight. So you can take a few drops of it and then apply it all over your face. So after that, I like to use a Marxin lotion. Marxin lotion are a mask that you apply it on your skin, and then you don't have to cleanse it. You can slip on it, and then when you wake up in the morning, you can just cleanse it with water. And the one that I'm using right now is from SK2. So I like to use Marxin lotion because it really adds hydration in my skin. So I take a few drops in my palm, and then I just dab it gently all over my face. Next is a very fancy product that I like to use. Since I am aging now, I really like to take care of my other body parts as well. So this one is the Skin Owl, and it's a neck cream. The neck skin area are the one that really start to lose elasticity early than any other skin area. So whenever you are massaging your neck area, always make sure that you are massaging it upwards so that it is lifting the skin of your neck area. And the last thing that I like to do is moisturize my lips. So when it comes to lip conditioner, I don't have any specific ones. The one that I'm using right now is the one from MAC, and whenever I'm done using it, I like to try something else, some new products. So it is just a random product that I pick on. I like to just go in and then just apply it all over my lips. Nobody wants chapped lip. So that is all the skincare routine that I've been doing right now. And then I like to go in with a mask maybe twice a week. So the mask that I've been using right now is the one from GLAM Glow, and it's the SUPERMUD clearing treatment mask. All you have to do is slather it all over your face and then leave it for 10 to 20 minutes, and then just wash it up with the lukewarm water. And I can tell you that it instantly tightens up my skin, and also my pores are less pronounced. So that is all the skincare routine that I've been doing, and I've been loving it so far. My skincare routine keeps on changing because I like to keep on trying new products and see if it works for my skin or not. And also at the same time, once in a while you might want to change the skincare product because you don't want your skin to get used to it. Other than that, all I can say is drink lots of water and also eat healthier foods. What you put in your body also makes a huge difference in your skin and your lifestyle as well. So yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed watching the video and learned a few things on skincare. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I would like to sign off for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah.